Today we'll be discussing the Thor XLR series of audio over fiber. Introducing the Thor F-4AB XLR, the F-2A XLR, the F-8A XLR, the F-2AB XLR, the F-16A XLR, and the F-4A XLR. Featuring 3-pin balanced XLR audio jacks, 12-volt DC power input, single-mode fiber up to 20 kilometers, easy-to-use plug-and-play units. The units are either unidirectional or bidirectional. Unidirectional means transmission from transmitter to receiver only. Bidirectional means transmission from transmitter to receiver and transmission from receiver to transmitter. F-2A XLR is 2-channel unidirectional. F-2AB XLR is 2-channel bidirectional. F-4A XLR is 4-channel unidirectional. F-4AB XLR is 4-channel bidirectional. F-8A XLR is 8-channel unidirectional. F-16A XLR is 16-channel unidirectional. In our test environment, we will use a 1000 Hz sine wave as our testing signal, with a testing distance of 25 kilometers of single-mode fiber. We will also use the Thor F-FOM fiber optic meter. Adjusting the frequency, adjusting the volume, and measuring the signal strength. Visit our website at thorbroadcast.com and find the Thor XLR Audio over Fiber series in the Analog Audio Video section, or scan the QR code here for a direct link. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.